How to connect Safepal Wallet to PancakeSwap. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can connect Safepal Wallet to PancakeSwap, and this is how to go about it. All right. First of all, log in into your account just like I've done here, and then once you're logged in, I'll move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as Wallet, Market, Explore, Swap, and just click on Explore. So you'll be brought to the app store. So on this page you can see a number of application, all right, such as Uniswap, etc. And then you can see the Pancake Swap, right? If you cannot see it, you can just search for it by making use of the search box. So as you can see the Pancake Swap, you can see a security warning which says you're about to redirect to a third party the app when making transfer, etc, etc. Click on confirm, and then you'll be taken to the Pancake Swap page. So by being brought to this page, your PancakeSwap will be connected to your SafePal, and then to confirm, move to the top right corner where you can see your wallet icon. Click on it, and then you will see the option wallet, recent transaction, your NFT. Then you see disconnect. All right, this is if you want to disconnect your SafePal from your PancakeSwap, and so that is it. So you can go ahead and create a profile and do whatever you want on your PancakeSwap wallet. So this is how it works. This is how you can connect your SafePal wallet to PancakeSwap. Thank you for watching and have a good day.